Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a very simple elephant emoji. So let's just start at the top of his head, kind of go out and then curve it in just a touch. That's where its eye is going to be. Continue this down and curve it in. Okay, let's curve the end of his trunk. Start curving it back up and widening towards the head. And then right here, we're gonna curve out to give him a nice smile. Okay, so let's draw the bottom of his chin right here and his mouth. Curve out again for the cheek, up, and then curve out again, and then back. So let's draw his eyes. There'll be one right here. Let's just draw an oval, and then more of a circular eye on this side. Let's draw the pupil inside, a highlight on the upper right, and a smaller highlight on the lower left. And over here we can draw the pupil again with a highlight on the upper right and lower left. Let's now draw the ears. So let's draw the left ear first. From the top of the head, we're going to go up and then start curving it down. These are going to be fairly simple ears. Let's just go down quite a ways and then start curving it up and back to the trunk. Let's give this ear some thickness by starting right here. Curve it up, getting closer to the previous line, and then give it an edge. All the way down and back up. Let's just give it an eyebrow. Alright, let's draw the other ear. We'll keep them about the same size, slightly larger since it's closer. From here, go up and then start making a curve and back up to the head. Same thing, we're going to give it some thickness first right here, and it's gonna come closer to our previous line to give this an edge, and back. And that's pretty much it. We're just gonna keep it fairly simple. Here, this line, we're just gonna add a short line here to show that the trunk is curving inward and away. Maybe a few lines here to show that it's curving, and make these lines really curved as you get to the bottom. And that's it. What I'm going to do now is I'm just gonna outline this a little more, and we're done. So there we go. This is our simple elephant emoji. So thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.